Today we venture into the backwoods fishing an untouched river that is full of bass. This place is like Jurassic Park for fish, and this is a video you're not gonna want to miss. Oh yeah. Oh, there's 3 of them. Oh, fish on. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that beautiful smallie. Oh yeah, baby. Look at how dark that thing is. Not too big, but that's a really good start to the day, guys. Ooh, nice smallie. Really nice smallie. Oh man, he just doesn't want to give up. Look at that. That is so cool. So I just basically skipped it up next to that rock. Again, just letting the current do a lot and just the Senko do a lot. That bait is just so good on the fall. Such an easy meal, and these fish, I mean, they just feed all day, it seems. Another smallie. Man, these things are just so feisty. It's not even that big, but they get in that current, they just dig. Oh, this is so cool. Come on. Not a bad little smallmouth. Man, that's so cool though. You just see that gold flash and next thing you know, your line's going. Another beautiful fish. Hooked up. Oh, he's got a buddy with him. Oh, there's 3 of them. Nice smallie. Man, these things just dig. How about this spot? So cool, guys. Oh yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna land this fish. Gonna have to swing him. Come on up. That a boy. Right on the snout. Man, this is so cool. The colors on these things are incredible. Alright, I'm gonna get you down. Hold on, hold on. Gotta go get another Senko. Man, not a good day to forget the O-rings. Alright, bud. Bye-bye. Little smallie. Oh, nice fish. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm going down. Oh yeah, nice spot. Really nice spot. Big old spot. Come on. Hooked right on the snout. Give him a quick dunk. Get out of this blood. Just caught this really nice spot. Just skipping it up under that tree, and I was slipping and falling, and man, this thing just came up and munched it. Huge bluegill. Do it. That was awesome. Oh, humpback. Stay out of those rocks. Normally broke its back, but he's still doing well. Another nice smallie. Oh man, this is awesome. These river smallies just fight so much. Come here, baby. Oh, man, they just don't give up. Another nice river smallie. Man, these things are so beautiful. Hooked perfectly. Same thing, he was just right on the edge of this rock. Had to come in really with a lot of stealth and present that bait to him. He just came out and he couldn't resist it again. Beautiful fish.